from Sooner Standards, identifying computing access problems for diverse users, a complete grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.IC.CU.02. Students learn to identify real-world problems related to the distribution of computing resources, distinguishing between technical availability and genuine usability for diverse user groups. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of access barriers, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 34 Dalton's use of no prep HQIM aligned instruction across 36 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.